Your textile riding gloves are built for protection, but in order for them to deliver the best comfort, performance and durability, you need to be careful in the way that you use and care for them. Here are a few tips that should help you do this the right way. After every ride, remember to give your gloves a chance to air dry. The simplest way to do this is by placing them on a flat surface in a shaded and well-ventilated area. A dry glove is far less likely to develop any mold. In terms of cleaning your textile riding gloves, the task is pretty simple. Do not wash your riding gloves with any harsh detergents or chemicals. Instead, you can rinse fabric parts of the gloves or use a moist cloth to wipe down any dirt or stains on other areas. Do not use any kind of brush or abrasive materials to clean your glove, as this can damage the fabric. You can use a soft bristled brush like a toothbrush with a soft or extra soft grading to clean Velcro or any exposed hard plastic protectors on the glove. Contact against abrasive materials like Velcro can quickly damage the fabric of your glove. Even though we use a softer type of Velcro at the wrist closures, this material is still quite abrasive as it needs to be able to hold your glove in place securely. Avoid letting the finger panels of the glove come in contact with the Velcro when wearing or removing your gloves. To avoid damage, we recommend only gripping the softer outer material or the provided pull tab when securing or removing your riding gloves. If your textile riding gloves get wet, make sure to first dry them out completely in a shaded and well-ventilated space. Placing it on a flat surface with a newspaper or cloth below it will aid in the absorption and drying. In terms of storage, make sure that your glove is completely dry before it is put away. A failure to do this could result in mold patches on the glove, as well as possible degradation of materials. Do not store your textile riding gloves in a completely sealed container or package. Instead, store them in something that allows ventilation, and remember to add a few silica gel moisture absorbers when doing so.